Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Plex app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, we're going to do it in two steps. First, we're going to ensure your TV can enable apps install from unknown sources or enable unknown apps to be installed. The second step is that we're going to install and download the app. So download and install rather using the APK Time app. Now the first part of the tutorial is going to be done in settings. So head over to click settings, all settings, navigate down to system, go to about and click on build number 7 times. So I'm on the build number. We're going to click here 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you should have become a developer. In my case, I'm already a developer, but if you become a developer, it will show on the screen, and that enables you to install applications from unknown sources. So we're going to move over to the home screen where I'll be launching the application. So this is APK Time application. If you do not have this app already, I implore you to check the description below. Watch that tutorial and it will show you how to install this app, get it running, and open it just like this. So when you open the app, just give it a few seconds to load. You see some categories. We're going to be looking for players and browsers. That's where we're going to find the Plex application. So give it some time. And ensure you have good internet connection. If the connection is good, this will take just a couple of seconds and the app will be loaded up. Alternatively, you could just exit the app and try to reopen it. So if you have good connection, this will be no hassle. And you find this list right here. So navigate down the list and you find players and browsers. Click on that option. And now you're going to just scroll down towards the bottom of this list and you find this Plex application right here. I'm going with the 32 GB version. So just click on download and that will download the app. When it's done, you start seeing the app staging. So it's staging the app. It's so quick with my case because I already have the app downloaded. But when the app finishes staging, you could see a message that says unknown sources. What that implies is I just go down to the application that says APK Time, toggle on the APK Time app and enable you install this app because you're using APK Time. So APK Time will have the permission to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. So just like that, you have this install button pop up and you can install the application. So immediately the app is installed, you can launch it. After launching, you could launch it right here on this screen with the open button, or you could go back to your dashboard, go to apps on your home screen and access the app from there. Now when you open the app, you begin to stream, you could begin to enjoy, and entertainment is also our pleasure. So if you had useful information from this video, support the channel, like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.